Now fifth question. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Now 5 cos square 60, cos 60 is equal to half, so half square. Then 4 sec square 30, sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3 square. Then tan 45 is equal to 1, so 1 square. Now sin square 30 half, so square will be sin half square. Then cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, so there also square will come. Now squaring this one, 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. In downwards it will be 1, so it will be divided by 1 only. So upwards it will come 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Downwards 3 plus 1, 4 by 4, 1. So you no need to write that one. So take LCM here. 12 is the LCM. So 5 into 3 plus 16 into 4 minus 12. 5 3s are 15. Then 64 minus 12. So you can add this one, 79 by 12, so 67 by 12 you will get. Now second one, you see, choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. So 2 tan 30, 2 into tan 30 value. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Then 1 plus tan square 30, 1 by root 3, the whole square. So it will be 2 by root 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 or 2 by root 3. Here 4 by 3. So 2 by root 3 cross multiply 3 by 4. So 1 root 3 you can cancel here. So here root 3 will come. 1 2 you can cancel here. 2 will come. So final answer will be root 3 by 2. What is root 3 by 2? That is in the given option, that is sin 60. So sin 60 you can write. Sin 60 values root 3 by 2. Now next one. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. We know that tan 45 is 1, so 1 minus 1, that 0 will come here. 1 plus 1, so 0 by 2 or 0. So option 0 is given there, so you can write that value. Then third one, sine 2a is equal to sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a is true for when a is equal to 0. Only in that case this one is true. So when a is equal to 0, that is 2 into 0, again 0 it will come, sine 0 is equal to 0. 2 into sine 0, the 2 into sine 0 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0. So this equation will be satisfied when a is equal to 0. Then fourth one, two tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. Tan 30, 2 into tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. So here it will come 2 by root 3, here 1 minus 1 by 3, so 2 by root 3 by, take LCM, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, cross multiply, 2 root 3 by 3 by 2. So that 1 root 3 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, so only root 3 will remain. Root 3, which value is root 3? Tan 60 is root 3. So tan 60 it will come. Tan 60 value is root 3. So option is C. Now if tan a plus b is equal to root 3, third one, tan a plus b equal to root 3. So for which value root 3 will come for tan? That is tan 60. That is a plus b will be equal to 60. Then comes tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 will come for 30. So a minus b will be equal to 30. Now solve this one. A plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. Add that, 2a is equal to 90, b will get cancelled, or a is equal to 90 divided by 2, 45, and a plus b is equal to 60. So b will be equal to 60 minus 45, that is equal to 15. So a angle A is equal to 45 and b is equal to 15. Now comes fourth one, true or false. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. No, that is not true. It is a false statement. First one. So second one, the value of sine theta increases as theta increase. That is true, because sine 0 we know that it is 0, sine 30 it is half, then keep on increasing up to 90 it will be 1. So this is a true statement. Then third one, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. That is a false statement, because cos 0 is 1, then it is keep on decreasing. So it is false. Then fourth one, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all the values of theta. No. Sin theta is equal to cos theta only for theta is equal to 45. Okay. So this is also false. When theta equal to 45, then only sin and cos have the same value. Then fifth one, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. That is true. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now page number 188, you see, sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A, cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A, and cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. Then sec 90 minus A equal to cosec A, and cosec 90 minus A equal to sec A. You have to learn this one, because sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Reverse also, cos 90 minus A equal to sin A. Okay, there are connected sin and cos. Then tan and cot. Then they are complementary angles, sin and cos. Then tan, cot, then sec, cosec are complementary angles. Now, based on this result, you have to solve the problems. Now, first example 9. Example 9. Evaluate tan 45 by cot 25. So, tan 65 by cot 25. Tan 65 by cot 25. So here tan 65 you can write as cot of 25, or cot 25 you can write as tan 65, interconnected only. Okay, so cot A, so what we have learned, cot A is equal to tan of 90 minus A. So here cot 25 is equal to tan 90 minus 25. What is tan 90 minus 25? That is equal to tan 65. So instead of tan 65, you can write here cot 25, or instead of cot 25 you can write the tan 65. So we are changing that cot 25. So tan 65 by cot 25 is equal to tan 65 by tan 65 because cot 25 equal to tan 65. So that will get cancelled, equal to 1. Now express cot 85, express cot 85 plus cos 75 in terms of angles between 0 and 45. Now cot 85 means what? Cot 85 means it is cot 90 minus 5. 90 minus 5 is 85. So 90 minus 5 means what? Cot 90 minus 5 means it is tan 5. Then cos 75 means what? Cos of 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is 75. So it is sine 15. So 85 how will you write in terms of 90 minus 5 is 85. So cot of 90 minus 5 is 85. So that cot of that angle will be equal to tan of 5. Then cos 75 is equal to cos 75 how will you write? 90 minus 15. So cos of that one is equal to sine 15. So instead of this one you can write now tan 5 plus sine 15. Now see 85 is changed to tan 5 and cos 75 is changed to sine 15. Now that angle is in between 0 and 45. Now exercise 8.3, first one, evaluate sine 18 by cos 78. Sine 18 by cos 72, 72. So sine 18 means what? Sine 18 you can write as 90 minus 72. No change for second one. Now what is sine 90 minus 72? That is equal to cos 72 by cos 72, that is equal to 1. Or second one, tan 26 by cot 64. Now change that tan 26 to 90 minus 64. What is 90 minus 64? That is 26. So cot 64. But what is tan 90 minus 64? That is equal to cot 64 by cot 64. Again it is equal to 1. Then third one, cos 48 minus sine 42. Cos 48 you can change, that is 90 minus 42 is equal to 48 minus sine 42. So 90, that is equal to sine 42 minus again sine 42, that is equal to 0. See here, only one we are changing. Both if you are going to change, you are not going to get the answer. Only one, either the denominator or the numerator you can change to same, so that your values you will get. Here also only one, here only we changed. Okay, so otherwise if you are going to change here, you will get sine 42 minus cos 48. So no answer you will get. Now fourth one, cosec 31 minus sec 59. Now cosec 31 you can write as cosec of 90 minus 59. No, 90 minus 59 is 31. That is equal to sec 59. So cosec 90 minus a is equal to sec a. So it will be sec 59. Again sec 59 is there. So you will get 0 there.